Today our subject is planetary wind system. Though wind sometimes causes hazard, but it is an essential element for the life system of Earth. Today we will discuss about planetary wind system and related some other topics. Let's start. But at first we have to know about some factors related to wind system. First, how a wind name. Actually, from which direction wind blow, according to this direction wind are given its name. As in the screen, wind is blowing from south direction, we will call this wind as a southern wind, and the next one we will call northeastern wind. So the second factor is Coriolis force or Ferrel's law. We all know that Earth is continuously revolving from west to east. Due to round shape of the Earth, revolution speed is not equal at every place. Rotation speed at equator is 1669.8 km per hour and rotation speed at 60 degree latitude is 518.77 km per hour. Due to inequality of speed, air or sea current, which are generally blow freely, bend towards right in northern hemisphere and in left in southern hemisphere. This is called Ferrel's law or Coriolis effect. Wind which blow from a certain direction around the whole year regularly called planetary wind. A regular wind blow from subtropical high pressure zone to tropical low pressure zone. This wind is called trade wind. As in the past, trade was done through the path of this wind by sailors. In north hemisphere, it blow from northeast due to Coriolis effect and called northeast trade wind, and in southern hemisphere it blow from southeast and called southeast trade wind. Wind which blow from subtropical zone to subpolar low pressure zone is called westerlies. In north hemisphere it bend towards right and blow from southwest and called southwest westerlies. In southern hemisphere it blow from northwest and called northwest westerlies. In case of polar wind, north hemisphere it called northeast polar wind as per its blowing direction. And in southern hemisphere it is called southeast polar wind. In southern hemisphere, most of the covered path of westerlies on ocean. It gain tremendous speed and blow with much sound. Westerlies between 40 degree to 50 degree south latitude is called roaring forties for its sound, and between 50 to 60 degree latitude it's called furious 50s, and between 60 to 70 degree latitude is called screaming 60s. Now we will discuss about causes of the planetary wind system. What causes those winds to blow regularly? To explain this, we have to know about tricellular model. According to this theory, three cells work in both hemispheres, and actually every planetary wind from a cell. The cell from between 0 degree to 30 degree in both hemispheres called Hadley cell. Between 30 degree to 60 degree it is called polar front cell or Ferrel cell in both hemispheres, and between 60 to 90 degree it is called polar subpolar cell in both hemispheres. Now it's time to discuss about doldrum and horse latitude. In equatorial region, wind come from subtropical region started to move upwards. As in equatorial region, air move vertically, there is a lack of horizontal air movement, so this region generally remain very calm during whole year. So this region is called doldrum. And also lack of horizontal wind flow between 25 to 35 degree latitude. In 50s or 16th centuries, when sailboat was used for trade, became motionless to come this region. To save food and water, sailors threw their horse into water. Thus, this region was named as horse latitude. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel.